Here's the truth. Most medical laboratory scientists don't fail the BB ASCP exam because of intelligence. They fail because they rely on the wrong study books. If you've been searching for a reliable BB ASCP study book, you already know the market is full of outdated, repetitive, or overwhelming options. Today, we're going to cut through the noise. In this video, I'll review the top 3 recommended BB ASCP study resources that real test takers still swear by. I'll also show you why MLSIAcademy has become the most complete choice for serious candidates preparing for the blood bank ASCP certification. By the end of this video, you'll not only know which BB ASCP study book fits your style, but also how to build a smarter study strategy that saves time and increases pass rates. Let's dive in. Number 3. BB Technical Manual. This is the official reference from the American Association of Blood Banks. It contains industry standards, detailed transfusion practices, and cutting-edge updates. The depth is excellent for professionals in a blood bank setting, but for exam prep, it can feel overwhelming and overly technical. It's best used as a supplemental book for in-depth understanding. Many test takers call it essential, but not sufficient alone for passing. Number 2. HARS Medical Laboratory Science Review. This is one of the most widely used exam prep texts. It covers all ASCP disciplines, including blood banking. Its strengths are concise explanations and clear review questions. The language is student-friendly, making it easier to digest. Limitations include limited blood banking depth compared to general topics. Still, many BB ASCP candidates rely on it for final review. It serves as a solid foundation for multiple-choice practice and quick reinforcement. Number 1. MLSI BB ASCP Study Guide and Resources from MLSIAcademy. This is the most complete option for today's exam candidates. It doesn't just give you a BB ASCP study book, it gives you an entire structured system. It includes live online classes taught by ASCP-certified instructors. Students get access to class recordings, allowing unlimited replay of complex topics. There's a focused, no-fluff ebook study guide written specifically for BB ASCP. It also comes with a detailed step-by-step study plan. Candidates receive a clear action plan on how to pass on the first attempt. The real differentiator is the 4 levels of question banks. These include simple Q and AMP, drills, quick topic quizzes, full practice exams, and full-length timed mock exams. Together, they create a complete preparation pathway. Most test takers report higher confidence, better content retention, and less wasted time. This combination is why MLSIAcademy stands out as the number 1 choice. Now, let's wrap it up. If you're looking for a reliable BB ASCP study book, not all resources are created equal. The BB Technical Manual gives unmatched depth but can overwhelm. HARS Review is practical, concise, and very student-friendly. But MLSIAcademy remains the most trusted, complete, and results-focused solution. It combines a dedicated BB ASCP study book with classes, recordings, plans, and advanced testing systems. That's why it earns the number 1 spot in today's ranking. So, if you're serious about passing the BB ASCP exam, explore MLSIAcademy as your primary resource. And stay tuned, because in the next video, I'll cover the best BB ASCP question banks and show you which ones actually mirror the format and difficulty of the real exam. Subscribe now if you want structured guidance and expert recommendations tailored to medical laboratory scientists. Drop a comment below and let me know which BB ASCP study book you've been using. Your input may help another future ASCP candidate succeed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown on BB ASCP question banks.